Hey girl, welcome back. I got a new wig today and this one's from Luvme Hair. I'm super excited to show it to you. This wig is absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna go over all of the details of this wig, but first let me go ahead and show you everything that comes inside of the box. They included some wig tape, a custom hair clip with the Luvme Hair logo, some Velcro strips to help keep your wig secure, a label card and a mesh storage bag to help you store your wig, a custom beauty sponge, a set of HD wig caps, and these cute cards with more information about the wig. And speaking of the wig, let me go ahead and tell you all about it. This is a Premax wig from Luvme Hair. It comes with a flexi-fit invisible drawstring cap. It's a silky straight texture with 10 different length options starting from 10 inches going all the way to 28. This is a 13x4 lace frontal unit with HD lace, and it comes pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted. And the specific wig that I have here did not come pre-cut, but of course there's an option when you order this wig to order it with the lace pre-cut. This is a 100% human hair wig with 150% density. And one thing I really love about Luvme Hair is that they are constantly upgrading their products to give their customers the best bang for their buck. The last glueless wig upgrade featured the adjustable bra strap in the back of the wig. They took that idea a step further and added a pull and go elastic drawstring. So now you can get the perfect snug fit. If you were maybe in between a small and a medium and you just could not get the perfect fit, or maybe the straps cannot always be adjusted to your liking, with this drawstring wig, you do not have to worry about any of that. You can adjust it to your exact head size, small, medium, or large. And like I said, this is a glueless wig. So even though it is a full frontal, they still added 3 combs to the wig to give you that extra security. And they included the silicone gripping along the back of the wig. And they still give you an adjustable strap with extra silicone grip. So they made sure you are covered everywhere in this wig. Like, your wig is not going anywhere. And with this being a 13x4 frontal, you do get ear-to-ear lace, and they even consider the girlies with long sideburns who possibly cannot always keep the ear tabs down on their lace wigs. They even provided you with no-lift lace tape to keep your lace secured on the sides. They thought of everything with this wig. The lace on this unit also features their no-lift technology, which basically means the way that they shaped and molded the lace on this unit is going to help it lay flat and secure on your head. So you won't have to worry about your lace lifting up or your wig sliding back. All of those issues have been taken into consideration and resolved. So I let you see what this unit looks like straight out of the box. It does come with a lot of lace if you do not order it with the pre-cut lace. If you're not good at cutting lace, I highly advise you to just go ahead and order it with the pre-cut lace so you don't even have to worry about that. I cut my lace using a single blade razor, and then I went ahead and added the lace tape that they provided to the ear tabs of the wig. And you'll notice that majority of the wig, for me, lays flat except for the ear tabs. So I went in with some lace adhesive spray and I sprayed along the edge of the hairline, let that sit with my melting band, and that was pretty much it. I initially did not think that I was going to have to add or do anything to the lace as far as tinting or applying makeup, because when I first took this wig out the box, and maybe it could have just been my eyes, but the lace looked like it was already tinted, like it looked a little brown. I don't know if you saw that on camera, and maybe it's just me, but the lace does not look white like how lace is normally white. It definitely looks a little brown. So I did not tint the lace on this unit, but I did add just a little bit of makeup, specifically some contour powder on top of the lace after I laid it with the melting band. And girl, you cannot tell me this is not my real hair. The lace is literally giving scalp. It looks like it's growing from my forehead. I initially was going to do a really detailed middle part with this wig, but after I secured it with that lace band, I looked at it and I was like, you could literally go no part with this unit. You could wear this unit with no part. And if you know anything about lace wigs, that says a lot, because most of the time, in order for a wig to look realistic, you have to have a super clean part. But with this wig, I can literally wear it straight back. You cannot do that with a lot of wigs. I can wear this wig straight back or with no part and it still looks so natural. That is crazy. But of course, you don't have to be like me. You can part your wig. You can part it wherever you want to. Down the middle, on the side. You want to do a deep part, you can do a deep part. You want to do a C part, you can do a C part. Okay, if you want to do half up, half down, you can do that. You want to do a little Chinese bun, you could do that. I did do a French roll. You probably can't really see it, but that was my first time doing a French roll, and I was able to do a French roll with this wig. Yeah, get into it. This wig looks really good with updo hairstyles. The drawstring in the back makes it look really seamless and really flat. It's not a 360 wig and there is no lace in the back. However, the hair does have a really flat and really smooth finish in the back to where it looks very natural and realistic. It doesn't look super wiggy, if that makes sense. I've been wearing this wig for the past few days. I'm on like day 5 now of wearing this wig. I absolutely love it. And the lace still looks amazing. I have not touched it up at all. The hair is still super soft. It has not gotten tangled up yet, surprisingly. It's still very flowy. I haven't experienced much shedding. The hairline is still intact. When I go to bed at night, I braid it up into 2 long pigtails to keep it from getting tangled in my sleep. And when I remove it from those pigtails, it creates these gorgeous waves. Reminds me of my raw hair wigs. Like, this hair feels so soft and so good. It literally feels like my raw hair wigs. I'm not saying this is raw hair, okay? It's not, but the quality of the hair does feel comparable to my raw hair wigs. But yeah, she's definitely a keeper. 10 out of 10. And if you are interested, I do have a coupon code that you can use to save 28% off of your orders with Luvme Hair. I'll have the direct link for this wig and all of its information down in the description box below. And if you like this video, you like videos like this or anything having to do with beauty and wigs, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.